In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of houseplants, focusing on the healthiest options you can introduce into your home. Having plants indoors offers a multitude of benefits, significantly enhancing your living environment. One of the most notable advantages is their ability to purify the air, as many plants naturally filter out toxins and pollutants, contributing to a cleaner atmosphere. This air purification not only helps in reducing harmful substances, but also promotes better respiratory health. Additionally, the presence of greenery has been shown to alleviate stress and anxiety, creating a calming ambience that can improve your overall mood and mental well-being. As we spend a considerable amount of time indoors, especially in today's world, it becomes increasingly important to focus on improving indoor air quality. This is where the right selection of plants can play a crucial role in fostering a healthier living space. By incorporating plants into your home, you can create a sanctuary that not only looks beautiful but also supports your physical and emotional health. In this video, we will reveal the top 7 plants that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also packed with health benefits. These selections are perfect for enhancing your home while ensuring you breathe cleaner air and enjoy a more serene environment. So stay tuned as we explore these remarkable plants that can transform your living space into a healthier haven, making it a place where you can thrive both physically and mentally. The peace lily, known for its elegant white blooms and lush green leaves, is not only a beautiful addition to your home, but also a powerful air purifier. This remarkable plant excels at removing harmful pollutants from the air, including ammonia and volatile organic compounds, making it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. By incorporating a peace lily into your living space, you can enjoy cleaner air while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Caring for a peace lily is relatively straightforward, making it suitable for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. These plants thrive in low to medium indirect light, so placing them near a window with filtered sunlight is ideal. When it comes to watering, it's essential to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings is a good rule of thumb. Additionally, peace lilies benefit from occasional misting to maintain humidity levels, especially in drier environments. However, it's crucial to note that peace lilies are toxic to pets and children if ingested, so it's best to keep them out of reach. This precaution ensures that your home remains a safe environment while still enjoying the numerous benefits these plants provide. With their air purifying capabilities and relatively easy care requirements, peace lilies make an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their indoor space while promoting a healthier atmosphere. The golden pothos, often celebrated for its vibrant heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their indoor environment. One of the standout advantages of this plant is its remarkable ability to purify the air by effectively removing harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. By incorporating golden pothos into your home, you can significantly improve indoor air quality, creating a healthier living space for you and your family. Caring for a golden pothos is a breeze, as it is highly adaptable to various light conditions. Whether placed in bright, indirect sunlight or in low-light areas, this resilient plant thrives, making it perfect for any room in your home. When it comes to watering, it's best to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, as overwatering can lead to root rot. Additionally, occasional pruning can help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. However, it's essential to be aware that golden pothos is toxic to pets and children if ingested. Therefore, proper placement is crucial. Keeping it out of reach of curious paws and little hands is necessary to ensure safety. With its air-purifying properties and low-maintenance care requirements, the golden pothos is an excellent addition to any indoor space. By following these care instructions and being mindful of its toxicity, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of this stunning plant while maintaining a safe environment for your loved ones. The spider plant, known for its charming arching leaves and unique spider-like offshoots, is not only a delightful addition to your home decor, but also a powerful air purifier. This resilient plant is particularly effective at absorbing toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene, making it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. By incorporating spider plants into your living space, you can create a healthier environment for you and your family. Caring for a spider plant is relatively simple, making it suitable for both novice and experienced plant owners. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but can also adapt to lower light conditions, making them versatile for various rooms. When it comes to watering, it's best to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, as overwatering can lead to root rot. Additionally, spider plants appreciate humidity, so occasional misting can help them flourish, especially in drier climates. One of the standout features of spider plants is their safety for pets and children, making them a family-friendly choice. Unlike many houseplants, spider plants are non-toxic, allowing you to enjoy their beauty without worrying about potential hazards. This quality makes them an ideal option for households with curious pets or young children. With their air-purifying abilities and easy care requirements, spider plants are a fantastic addition to any home. By following these simple care tips, you can enjoy the numerous benefits of this lovely plant while ensuring a safe and healthy environment for your loved ones. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, is a remarkable houseplant that offers numerous benefits, particularly in air purification. One of its unique features is its ability to continuously purify the air, even at night, by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen through a process called crassulacean acid metabolism, or CAM. This makes the snake plant an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality while you sleep, contributing to a healthier living environment. Caring for a snake plant is relatively easy, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. It thrives in well-draining soil, such as a cactus or succulent mix, which helps prevent root rot. When it comes to light conditions, snake plants are incredibly adaptable. They can flourish in low light as well as bright, indirect sunlight. This versatility allows you to place them in various rooms, from bedrooms to living areas, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. The striking upright leaves, often variegated with shades of green and yellow, add a modern touch to any decor style. Additionally, snake plants require minimal watering, as they prefer to dry out between waterings, making them low maintenance. Their resilience and ability to thrive in various conditions make them an ideal choice for busy lifestyles. With their air-purifying qualities and stunning appearance, snake plants not only beautify your space but also contribute to a healthier atmosphere. By following these simple care tips, you can enjoy the many benefits of this exceptional plant while enhancing your home's interior. English ivy, known for its lush green foliage and climbing vines, is a popular houseplant that offers unique properties, particularly in air purification. One of its standout abilities is its effectiveness in filtering airborne molds and harmful chemicals, such as formaldehyde and benzene. This makes English ivy an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality, especially in spaces prone to dampness or mold growth. Caring for English ivy is relatively straightforward, but it does require some attention to thrive. This plant prefers bright, indirect light, although it can tolerate lower light conditions. However, adequate light is essential for maintaining its vibrant color and promoting healthy growth. When it comes to watering, English ivy likes to be kept consistently moist but not soggy. Allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings is ideal. Additionally, regular misting can help maintain humidity levels, which is beneficial for this plant. It's important to note that English ivy is toxic to pets and can cause gastrointestinal issues if ingested. Therefore, careful placement is crucial, especially in homes with curious cats or dogs. Keeping the plant out of reach of pets and young children is essential to ensure safety. Despite its toxicity, English ivy remains a popular choice due to its air-purifying qualities and attractive appearance. By following these care instructions and being mindful of its placement, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of English ivy while maintaining a safe environment in your home. This versatile plant can enhance your living space while contributing to a healthier atmosphere. Aloe Vera is a remarkable succulent known not only for its striking appearance but also for its numerous health benefits. One of its most celebrated properties is its soothing effect on the skin. The gel extracted from its leaves is widely used to alleviate sunburns, minor cuts and skin irritations, providing a cooling sensation that promotes healing. Additionally, aloe vera is believed to have immune-boosting effects thanks to its rich content of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which can help support overall health when consumed. Caring for aloe vera is relatively simple, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. This hardy plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, although it can tolerate some direct sun exposure. It prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and should be protected from frost. When it comes to watering, aloe vera requires infrequent watering. Allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings is crucial to prevent root rot. One of the delightful aspects of aloe vera is its ability to reproduce easily. The plant produces offsets or pups that can be separated and repotted, allowing you to share this beneficial plant with friends and family. This not only enhances your own collection, but also spreads the health benefits of aloe vera to others. With its soothing properties, low maintenance care requirements and ease of propagation, aloe vera is a fantastic addition to any home. By following these care tips, you can enjoy the many advantages of this versatile plant while enhancing your indoor environment. The rubber plant, scientifically known as Ficus elastica, is a popular houseplant renowned for its impressive air-purifying capabilities. This robust plant is particularly effective at absorbing a wide range of indoor air pollutants, including formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. By incorporating a rubber plant into your home, you can significantly improve indoor air quality, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Beyond its air-purifying properties, the rubber plant is also known to enhance mood and reduce stress levels, making it an excellent addition to any living space. The lush, glossy leaves of the rubber plant can create a calming atmosphere, promoting relaxation and well-being. Caring for a rubber plant is relatively straightforward, making it suitable for both novice and experienced plant owners. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also adapt to lower light conditions, although its growth may slow down. When it comes to watering, it's essential to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, as overwatering can lead to root rot. During the growing season, typically spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer can be applied every few weeks to encourage healthy growth. Additionally, wiping the leaves occasionally helps to remove dust and allows the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently. With its air-purifying abilities and mood-enhancing qualities, the rubber plant is not only a beautiful addition to your home, but also a valuable ally in promoting a healthier and more serene living environment. By following these care instructions, you can enjoy the many benefits this remarkable plant has to offer. In this video, we explored the numerous benefits of incorporating 7 specific plants into your home, each chosen for their unique air-purifying qualities and overall health benefits. From the soothing properties of aloe vera to the stress-relieving presence of the rubber plant, these plants not only enhance your living space aesthetically, but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. By filtering out harmful pollutants and improving air quality, these plants can significantly impact your well-being. We encourage you to start your indoor gardening journey by selecting 1 or 2 plants that best suit your lifestyle and living conditions. Whether you opt for the low-maintenance snake plant or the vibrant English ivy, each choice can bring a touch of nature into your home while promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Remember, even a small addition of greenery can make a big difference in your overall health. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and plant care advice. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these insights. Together, we can create healthier living spaces and foster a greater appreciation for the natural world around us. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more valuable information with you in future videos. Start your journey towards a greener home today and enjoy the many advantages that these incredible plants have to offer.